Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our lesson today for dash 3, rewriting radical expressions. And let us start. For example, we have a radical 80, but you have to know the number inside the radical called radicand, okay? And the symbol here, this sign, okay, called radical sign, okay? So radical 80, okay? If I say radicand, I mean the number inside the radicand, okay? So for example, what is the radicand here? Yes, the radicand is 7. And how we read it? Radical 7. Good. Now let us start to find radical 80. How to find or rewrite this radical 80 or radical 80, okay, in simplest form. So I will call my hammer. Okay, I will call my hammer. Why? Actually, I will hit or break this 80. So to rewrite any radical number, you need to call your hammer and break the 80. And some of you I know will do this 8 by 10. Are you happy with that? So I break it. I give it one hit here, and it will be, the 80 will be 8 multiplied 10. And some of you take another two factors actually, which is, for example, 40 by 2, because both of them give me 80, okay? So if you select anyone at the end, you will get the same answer, okay? So I will use the easy one, which is up. And after I break it, I have to check each factor here. 8 and 10, okay? Nothing of them, or not the 8, not the 10, perfect square number. Okay, so teacher, you break to find a perfect square number? Yes, actually I use my hammer here. I use my hammer to break the number, to figure out where is or which factor of 80 are a perfect square number. Okay, are you happy with that? Me too. So not the 8 nor the 10, perfect square number. So I go to the 8 and break it again. So if I break the 8, I will break it to 2 and 4. Or I know the 8 come from 2 and 4. Now I found my treasure here, the perfect square number, which is 4. And the radical 4, as you know, radical 4, it is give me 2. So I can send it outside the radical and write it here, 2, and the radicand will be 2 multiplied by 10. As you see, you have to eliminate the whole 4. Don't leave anything from the 4. Some of students say, okay, 2 outside and 2 inside. Don't do that. I will hit you by my hammer. Okay? Good. Now this is the first one. Now I will multiply 2 by 10 here. Okay? And gathering together, or put them in together as 20. Okay? And I know 20 come from 2 and 10, and I can bring it from 4 and, yes, 4 and 5. And I find my treasure, another treasure here, which is 4, and I know 4 give me 2, so I erase this 4 and send another 2 here, so it will be 2 multiplied 2, so it is give 4, and I'm done. How I know I'm done, teacher? If you check the number inside inside the radical, which we call it radicand, it is a prime number, yes. And if you hit it by your hammer from here to day after, okay, you will not get any perfect square number. So calm down and you are find the final answer. Are you happy with that? Me too. Now let us move to another example. So this way I can break any number, or I can rewrite any radical number. Good. What if I have here x with power 8? Radical x with power 8. In simple word, as I said for you, my dear student, if you have a letter with power, go to the power and see it. It is even or odd? It is even. And it is مصيبة if you don't know the even number. Yes, it is a very big problem. The even number, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. So any number can be divided by 2. It is called even number. And the odd number, it is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. We call it odd number. You see, all the odd number cannot be divided by 2. No, teacher, the 3 can be divided by 2. What is the 2 here? No. Sorry, 1, 3, 5. Sorry, I know you know. Okay, the 3 can be divided by 2. It is give 1.5. Okay, yes, I know it is give 1.5. I mean, cannot be divided by 2 and give you a whole number. Like the 4 give you 2 and 2, 6, 3 and 3. Okay, now let us come back here. The 8 here can be divided by 2, so it is even. So if it is even, you must be happy. Not like this actually, but you must be happy. Okay, and take the half of the 8. So the answer will be x with power 4. Are you happy with that? Good. What if I have odd power, like the 7? What I shall do? Actually, you have to call the police first. No, I'm joking. Or the emergency call. Okay. If you have odd number, you can break this. You can call x with power 6 multiply x with power 1. What I did here, I break it. And I know my advantage here by using the radical. I can cut the radical in 2 small radicals like this and distribute it to the x with power 6 and x with power 1. Yes? Are you happy with that? Me too. And as we learned before, this give me what? Yes, x with power 3. And what about this? You keep it. So the answer of x with power 7 is x with power 3 radical x with power 1, which is x. Are you happy with that? Okay. Are you happy with that? Tell me. Me too. Teacher, why you don't erase the hammer? Because I need it. Good. What if I have this equation? 40 x with power 4. Good. According to the number, I can use my hammer here. the 40 come from 20 multiplied 2. Yes? Good. So I will rewrite it again. You have to be patient here, my dear student. Don't in a hurry. 20 multiplied 2. And I know the 20, it's come from 2 multiplied 4. What's 2 multiplied 4? Who said that? Not me. And I know the 20, it is come from 5 multiplied 4. Yes. Now I get my perfect square number. And I can send it, as you know, as 2 outside. So 2 radical. And don't forget the x to the power 4 here. Yes, I know. Now, 2, what left inside the radical? 5 and 2 and x to the power 4. Actually, because this and this prime numbers are prime numbers, we stop. And I will gathering again. So they will give 10. Now I need one more step for the letter and the power, and you know the technique. I take the half of the power. If it is even, directly it is give x with power 2. And don't forget to erase whole. Don't leave anything behind. Are you happy with that? Me too. We done from this. So this is the final answer? Yes. Yes, my dear student. So this, give this. I mean this equal this. Are you happy with that? Me too. Okay, let us take one more example, and also I need my hammer. I will not leave it alone. Now, if you have two radical, like this one, multiply by, I hate this color, I don't know who bring it to me. I will choose the green one, I like green. 3 and 2x squared. Now I said to my students, start with this and this and this and this, give me 12, but okay, keep it, it is good. Now it's give 12. Yes, it is give it 12. So 12 radical 3x squared multiply radical 2x squared. What I did, my dear student, I just multiply 3 by 4. Good? So far so good. Now, actually I will not need the hammer, because here I have 3 and 2 and this is a prime number, so sorry my hammer. Now here in the letter with the power, variable with the power x squared, I can erase it and send it out as x, and here also the same. Now I will multiply the x by the x here, it will give x squared. I will not forget the 12. And now radical 3 we done. Okay, here and here. Okay, so what left here? 3, and here I have 2. Now if I can multiply radical by radical, how come? By multiply what inside by what inside here and put them in one radical. So 2 multiply 3 give me 6. So I will put them under 1. Okay, and as you know, 2 is prime and 3 is prime. I cannot do anything about them, so this is the final answer. Are you happy with that? I hope so. Okay, I will take one more example about this, which is this one. radical 7x, I said radical, no, radical, multiply 3 radical 10x to the power 7. Outside here it is 1, but it is hidden. Now 3 multiply by 1 or 1 by 3 give me 3. So 3 outside, sorry. Now I can multiply, see here, this radicand multiply this radicand give me, I will put them in one radical. And this is give me 70x with power 8. How I get the 70, my dear student? Because it is 7 by 10 give me 70, and x with power 7 multiply x give me x with power 80. With power 8. Okay, now I will use my hammer now. I'm very happy. So I will bring this guy and put it under my hammer and hit it many times. Again, I will use my hammer here. Okay, I will hit it, so it is give 7 multiply 10. Are you happy with that? Me too. Not the 7 nor the 10, perfect. Yes, I will try to break the 10 now. Here, if I want to break the 10, it is give, so what this, I'm so sorry. Oh, good. Oh, yes. If I break the 10, it is give 2 and 5. It is coming from 2 and 5. As you see here, the 7 is a prime, the 2 is a prime, the 5 it's prime, and if I multiply them all together 70, the 17 not perfect square number, the 7, 2 and 5 not perfect also, so I cannot do anything with it, so I keep it 70 silent. What about the letter and the power? It is the easiest thing in the world. I erase them and write x with power 4 because I take the half of the power. Are you happy with that? So we done here? Yes, we done. Good for you. Now, what if I have this question? We take it in the class actually, but never mind if we take it again here to explain for my dear student, absent students. He said to me, can you figure out if the two radicals here, this one, there is no multiplication, and this one, I will write and here between them, and equivalent or not? He asked me they are equivalent or not. So I will start step by step. I will take this respected radical. It is 72. I will bring my 72 under my hammer here and I will hit it. It is coming from 9 and 8. Okay, I get my perfect, which is 9, so I will send outside as 3, and I will break the 8. I use my hammer again. It is coming from 2 and 4. I get my perfect square number, which is 4. I will send it outside as 2. 2 by 3 give me 6. Yes, and we done. Now we come to the second radical. I take my 50 here, the radicand, and put it under my hammer. I hit it by my hammer. It is give 5 and 10. Okay, but not the 5 nor the 10 perfect square number, so I try to break or to break the 10 the 10 give 5 and 2. Yes, here I have double 5 and this is the life, so this is give me 25, and the 25 is what? A perfect square, so I will send it outside as 5. Good, so it will be 2 by 5, and 2 by 5 give me 10, and see, we done. See here, it is 6 radical 2, or 6 multiply radical 2, and here 10 multiply radical 2. So what you have to say, they are not equivalent. Okay, okay my dear student. Okay my dear student, what else? The last example, be patient, everything will be good. If I have like this one, 4x squared multiply y, and the radicand is 2x with power 4 multiply by y with power 6. Now we go to the number, to the radicand here directly, and we know it is a prime, so I don't do anything with it. I cannot use my hammer here. Yes, I go to the letter with the power, it is even. Look at the power, it is even 4, so erase it and send what outside? Yes, send x with power 2, and here it is letter with power 6. Yes, y with power 6, so erase it and send it as outside as y with power 3. Now I will join, or yes, I will multiply the y with power 3 with the y. It is give me what? Y with power 4. It is outside, remember. And x with power 2 multiply x with power 2, it is give x with power 4. And don't we done from this and this and this and this and this, what left? 4. I will bring it down, radical 2, and good for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Khair again, and I hope you get all the benefits. See you later my alligators. Goodbye.